flies over here. Maybe these guys get eaten by us. Stop flying. Stop flying. Come on, look at all this food. There we go. All right, we're getting a bit of it, but we need a lot more food. Oh, bread. There we go. We killed the red. That's done. The rest of his body. He's like still twitching. I'm sorry about that. Come on. I think this is like the key is to grow ourselves a little bit first. Okay, we can't eat that guy's head. Green guy. Come on, baby.
What is the script to set the bar profile? I don't remember. I forgot everything.
I want to eat that green one.
I think it's dot space dot bash underscore profile underscore 12.
Dot space bash.
No, dot space dot bash underscore profile underscore 12c. There's no space in between the second one. Yeah. Dot bash. Bash bash. S as in sugar.
Okay.
Bash underscore profile underscore 12c.
Quest is capital letter. The C.
I think it doesn't matter. You can just see. Enter. Okay, you can try C. Before that, you can just ls minus al dot bash all. ls minus al space minus al space minus al minus al.
All. Okay.
Space. I think there's a space dot bash all. Dot bash all.
Bash all together.
All as in select all from.
Bash all like star, I think so.
Okay.
I don't know if there's a space.
No space now.
It's fine, all right?
No, it's not fine.
The space, you were not supposed to put space before the star, I think. I don't think there's...
Sakisa, I just requested remote control.
Okay.
Okay.
There we go, lap 2. Okay. Alright, I get this now. Need that guy. That's fine. Right, we need this guy over here. Really need.
Okay, he has the 12.1.0.1.
It's different too again. He has a different one.
And I gave up remote control. Who else is there? Desmond. Okay, I think Monica is there. Hi, Monica. Monica or Desmond? Hi, Monica. Hi, Desmond.
Hi, give me a second. How long have you heard this?
Hello. Okay, Monica, please, do you know the part of your Oracle home?
I don't know if it's in is that after the coupon? The $23.99. I don't know how much it costs to get it. Yes, it's do return and do and damage it up. Hi everyone, sorry about that. I don't know. I can't remember the part right now.
Okay, do you mind if we use your server?
I stand by.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Thank you. What is your student number?
283.
Huh?
283.
283. Okay. Sakisa, please, you can stop sharing your screen. Joseph, you can get into Monica's server and see if she is compatible with yours. Sakisa, you can stop sharing your screen. Joseph, it is 283. Student 283. Hi, Joseph.
Yeah, let me share my screen.
Okay.
Student what? Hello?
I think it's 283. She said 283. Something like that.
Are you all seeing my screen?
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
What's happening here? Are you sure the student number is correct? I'm sure. Renata, you said 283.
Uh-huh.
But it's not popping up.
Wait, Monica, you said 283, right? I think she said 283. Hi, Monica. I think she's at work. Oh, you can try with David. Hi, David. Anyway, guys, please, we are looking for a server that is compatible with Joseph's one. His
238.
Oracle.
238.
Okay, okay. 238, Joseph.
Hi, Ronaldo.
Hi, David.
Yeah.
I was saying we are looking for a server that is compatible with Joseph. His Oracle home path is 12.1.0.1.2. So I was just trying to know if you can check yours to see whether it is compatible.
No, my one is 12.1.0.1.
Okay, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
I have to hit yes here, I guess, right?
Wait, the server, yeah, yes.
I hope he has the same login. Can you please ask for his password? I don't think it's correct here.
Hi, Monica, please, your password.
For Oracle.
Oracle password. Is it class 26 or?
I didn't change it. It's the same password.
All right.
But hold on, what is going on here?
What is the password you put in, Joseph?
Class 26.
I don't know either. Okay, let me just try and see. Oh God.
It looks like it's already connected. Connected to the student. So now you can just set the batch profile and check. Well, you don't, okay. You can list,
Huh?
I say you, okay, that's fine, you can do that. Okay, so you have to go inside like ls space minus, I think is the AL.
Yeah.
What's the command for to check the batch profile? Yeah, batch all.
I don't think we're connected. I don't think the password was accepted. I'm just thinking.
It said connected as Oracle student.
No, when I put a
Space.
password, this is what, when I put a password, this is what happens. This is what pops up. It says command not found. Let me try. Let me close this tab and try again. 238.
Joseph, it is dot bash profile. I'm not seeing any dot there. ls minus al dot bash all.
Oh.
Oh, we playing my favorite game.
Oh, we're good. So let me see. Yeah, I think it has the same thing with mine. Yeah, we can use this one.
Okay, good. So you can go ahead and show us what you know, Joseph.
I will do what?
Joseph, when you're done, restore my database back, please.
Well, I don't even know how to do it if I'm done.
Okay, please. If you're not sure, don't do trial and error.
Wait, no, you can just try, Joseph. There's nothing hard in it. I mean, there's nothing bad in trying. So you can just use the script and try it. Most importantly, you will need to start with your primary database. So just go ahead and try.
Oh shit! I haven't even created a database yet. Can I use one of the non-con database? Or I think I have to create a new database now.
No, I believe you can use it. You can use it a non-container database.
Even
non-con is non-con.
you do have to create your database, and then the standby had to create another database.
No, I don't. Wait, I don't think the standby has to create his database.
I thought standby has to be duplicated.
It has to be duplicated. Like you create it from the database he's doing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So Joseph, if you have the non-container database, you can use it.
I think I have none.
Put it in archive log mode.
Connected to an idle instance, huh? Oh. to check the is it select status on
To check what?
like if it's open now and then to do.
Database is open, database mounted. That's it written there.
So let me start now. This should be on my primary database, right? I have to start doing it from my part, right? From the non-con.
Yeah, from your primary database. Wait, Joseph. Is it a non-container database or it is a container with pluggable or empty container?
That's the issue. I think this non-con has some pluggable database, and I think
No. I think non-con. No. Wait.
Wait, let me see.
Maybe it's a non-container. That's fine. I'm just confused with the name. That was the name you gave to your non-container database, right?
Yes, non-con. It doesn't matter if it has pluggables or not.
I believe it must not have pluggables. You might want to use it with a non-container, the normal database we use to use in DB1.
That's what I'm asking. Can we go ahead and use non-con or?
Okay.
If you want to show
does it have any PDBs?
Go ahead and create another.
This one is fine. This is non-container. Does it have PDBs, pluggables? When you issue that command,
did it pluggables? I don't think.
No, it doesn't have because it shows the command. It doesn't have.
Okay, then you can use this.
Okay, so I proceed, right?
Yeah.
Me too. Not if I get there first.
What I said?
You want to edit your script? Change the name.
Yeah, I think when I get anywhere, when I see a name, I would then try to.
Why don't you just change it now? Okay, it's fine. How you want to do it?
Because I was saying that because if I want to start changing, I will not know. Like I will, like going and
all you have to do is just select one of the silvers. You go to replace and replace all.
Because you can forget.
So
step number 3, where you're creating the standby, you go to Aura Data. Select the silver there.
The silver here is the database name, right?
You go to edit. You go to replace. Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Is there any way I have to alter again or like? Let me just proceed. When I get to any point, I don't want to get confused. So all this is just to check. Before I do this, how do I check if if in archive log math? I think this command, right?
Yes, archive log list.
It's already enabled. So I go to the next step because it's already enabled.
Uh-huh.
Now I'm adding the standby. Yeah.
That Joseph,
Yeah.
wait a second. So when you issued that command, you saw what we were supposed what we were trying to say on that command.
Which one? Which of the command are you
This
talking
thing,
about, please?
this command, select all from $log file. This one, the one is on your screen. No, the one on your screen right in front of you. Yes.
In front, this one, select start from log file. You said, do I see what?
What were you trying
To what
to
wanted
see
to
when?
the standby database that we added on the online redo logs now.
Exactly. Okay.
Because from what I read, they said the standby have to be more than the online redo, at least by one.
Okay, good.
So I believe that's why we have 4 standby, because we have 3 online. If we had like 4 online, it means we're supposed to have like 5 standby, right?
So it is the occasion for each and everyone who did not understand the concept. Now we don't have any pressure. We are not working to present it on the next day. So if you don't understand something, you can just ask, and together we'll find a way to explain it.
Where were we?
You want to set the primary database initialization parameter.
Did I run this one already?
You just want to say you can just select all from $log, I think, or you can just add that command. Yeah.
All right. This is to check their sizes, that all of them are the same sizes, right? So this author set DB unique name to non-con. I want to ask something. So the DB unique name here, non-con, is it like we're making it to, is going to match like that of the standby?
Wait.
When you talk about the unique name here, please, can someone
No,
explain that?
I think your database unique name must be different from your database name. I think so. I think your unique name must be different from your database name.
But here I saw Siva, and so I just.
It must not be. It's
Wait.
just for the other database that you have to specify a different.
Database unique name.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh. So here now. So non-con STB is going to be our standby database, right?
Yes.
They were saying that the unique name had to be different from the
Database name. That's what I thought so. But apparently not.
So do we proceed? Oh, I don't understand now. I'm getting a little bit confused.
Why do we scope equal SP5, please? I don't really understand that.
I think scope equals SP5 is when you want the changes to be made in the SP5. And when you scope equals both is when you want the changes to be made both in the memory and in the SP5. And from there you can create your P5 from the SP5. That's what I think. I don't know.
But Anita just said the DB unique name doesn't matter. Go like this, but different. So I don't know.
I mean, you can just go ahead and do it like that. And you just differentiate it in the standby database.
All right, this archive next to This is where he said the location has to be the opposite, right, of the standby. And if you are on the standby here, the two has to be it has to be the name of the primary, right?
I don't even know, Joseph. I don't know. I don't know if anybody has an idea of what he's talking about.
Yeah, here on the archive log, there's 2 now. He didn't mention that the location should not be like this. We are working in the primary, right? So it's supposed to be non-con STB like the standard by. So I think it's okay there. I was just confirming. So
Okay.
President Trump won there in 2016. Their visits come one day after West presidential candidates faced off in their first annual debate. And keep reports on how it's all impacting the race. This one's only coming.
Also the Japan.
Hello, everyone.
Hi, Bibish.
How are you?
I'm doing good.
I see you guys are working. Wow.
I think I have to check my listener now, right, to know the name of my listener.
I think so. I don't know if you have to take or you have to create. Do you have a listener?
Yeah, I think on the 12C, right? Yeah, I think I have one listener.
Okay.
Do I go on WinSCP to check on the listener's name or where?
Oh yeah, you can do it on
Any
WinSCP.
idea?
You can do it on WinSCP.
Okay, that part I forgot, so someone can lead me through.
No, you have to start by slash or a data, I think. It is 12C, so it is slash or a data. U01. APP. Oracle. Product. Product. Network. No, TBS is P5. Network.
Admin.
Listener.aura. Yeah, I think it's listener 1. Listener 1, right?
Yeah. The caps doesn't matter. Let me check how it was on the other side. So all right, caps. Oh, something happened.
Okay. Okay. Go back to it again, please. Let me see something. I think you have to. Okay. Wait, I know.
Do I have to set them now, or is it after I have to set? Because I know we have to set something on the listener now.
I think you have to change the listener. Okay, you have to change it. It is not. It doesn't have to be like this. So you have to do SID. You have to create a new one. All the way down. You have to create listener 2, I think.
I need a partner. I don't have any partners matching.
Sakisa is the same with you. Corinne too, I think.
So I'm going to check mine because
when I 12.2 or 12.1?
Yes, it's 2 because I tried with Yvonne, but I noticed after we don't have the same one.
Joseph 2 is 12.2.
So I need a partner. We can work with each server.
Okay.
So
Joseph, you have to do SID underscore list.
Let me try. Yeah, let me try to check. One moment. I know what you're talking about, but now to go and just.
You want to check it on Google?
I just want to check so I can just copy and paste now.
Okay.
Now, let me just.
Joseph.
Yeah, I'm saying.
Why don't you just go to your WinSCP? You go to 11C, to your 11C location, listener location, and copy from there.
Okay, I'll just see the part there, right?
because I don't think ours is exactly this way.
So from here, I go to,
All right,
so I should go to,
U01, U01, APP, Oracle.
1 minute, please. Yeah, put out.
I think is it admin? You know, it's product.
It is product.
Network.
Network. Admin, then it's not the power.
Bria. Bria. Bra. Bra.
All right, so global name here. Is this how it's supposed to be, please?
SID
Yes.
list, SID test, global name, go home. But I believe you need, yeah, that's how it's supposed to be. Then you just go ahead and edit it over there. So just copy it.
So just copy all the way over
No,
there.
just copy, you
from
edit
Slack
it
or a
on
data
your
to
post.
use you know, on the top there, because you have to change your location.
From here?
Yes.
Wait.
Yes, copy up to
You can just put slash
_1.
or data in front of slash user one.
Where it is.
Yeah.
Then the city name here and then name here.
That's
Global-
Joseph.
That should
Joseph,
be
you do
your
not have to. Oh yeah, on your 12C.
that should be the other
Sorry, say that
database
again?
name. So it's non-con STD.
Oh, it should be the name of the standby.
Yeah, I think non-con STB. Actually, hold on, let me double check.
Yeah, it's not con STB. And the SID name is your non-con. I think that's all. You can
Is that
remove the
all?
other parentheses at the end, the last one. I don't know if it has to
Don't
be there.
remove it, leave it there. Leave it there.
Okay.
The number of open parentheses should equal the number of closed parentheses.
Okay, you
But
can
it's
then
not gonna work.
save it.
So there's space here too.
One
Fine, just
Wait.
leave it like that.
Desmond, Joseph, I mean, I don't know if those spaces matters. I mean, that's
because
fine.
he already add one on the first listener. So he should be 1 or 2 or just listener like that.
This is fine. The entry is okay.
No, I understand. Wait, the SID listener, you don't have to put 1.
Yeah, you have to
I
put
think not
the number there.
Yeah. Wait, after this minor, this equals to, I have to put something there.
Before, it has to be listener 1.
And then the other one has to be listener, not the first.
The first one, that's the name of the
No,
listener.
just leave it like
Look,
that. That one is
remove that
fine.
the ADR base underscore listener. Remove it.
Wait, what?
Which one?
I see ADR underscore base underscore listener.
No, it is for his 11G.
Yeah, but when we did today, we removed that ADR because
But
I
that-
see
That's
11G doesn't
11G.
matter.
That's 11G.
They say you have to remove it, even though.
It's not using this one. They use it just to copy and put it on.
This
Okay,
is where
you're good now. That's fine. So now save and close, and then you have to just continue.
Okay,
See, Joseph, wait a second, Joseph. Can you go back on that listener tutorial?
the one we were working on.
No, the one on your 11G. Yes. Be sure.
Yeah, Mama.
This one we are not working with this one. He was just want to copy it and paste it on his 12C because he did not have it. So I don't know if when we remove what you're saying is gonna affect or it's gonna change anything.
Because
we just wanted to copy this.
Because today, Paul, you know Paul, right? In the morning class, we worked together this morning. They do have that ADR base. He was explaining, and that guys who help us say you have to remove that ADR. He's not really like.
It's not there now.
Yeah, I mean, if he was on his 12C, he would have removed it. But since we are not using, yeah, this is 11G.
Oh, okay.
This is 11G. We just.
Okay, I see. It's 11.
Okay. Joseph, you can go ahead.
So Renaldo, I don't know if Yvonne need to join. It can be possible. She told me a long time, but I was like out.
Do I rerun this?
Okay, no problem, Bibish.
Okay.
Do I have to stop or study listener again?
You can try. Wait. Yes, you can try. Wait. Is it the last parameter you need to edit?
How's it going to disturb me like this? You say, was it the last word?
Is it the last parameter you need to edit?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, no problem. You can try and reload the listener.
Because after I still have to do DB5 convert here. Can I do it on a different session? Like.
No, you can just exit from.
Please, what are you trying to do?
Yeah, I should reload the list. Like try to reload the listener.
Oh, because that's not going.
Yeah.
Exit.
Okay.
Please, that listener thing is
LSNRCTL. LSNRCTL.
Like this, right?
Reload listener 1. Listener, I think it's all uppercase.
Uppercase.
Listener 1. Enter. Okay, the connection refused, and there's a problem.
Do TNS. Do PS space -EF. -EF.
PS minus EF grep.
I did. I'm typing. I don't know why my machine is freezing now.
Space. No grep.
No,
I
there's
mean
no
the bar. You have to
space.
put the bar. Grep.
Did I give?
No, it's
No,
not PMOM.
it's
It's
not.
TNS.
It is TNS, not PMO.
Letter.
Like that.
I don't know. It must not be uppercase. Remember, you are on the operating system, so it is case sensitive.
So is it supposed to be
Small letter
lowercase CNS?
TNS,
Okay, so do listener LSNR or RCTL. No, no, the command LSN RCTL. Start.
Sorry, start.
Yes, listener 1. Okay, so you have it there.
We go now.
Yes.
I see here non-con STB has 1 instance. The status that was a standby, right?
Oh, actually, it's supposed to show. Oh yeah, it's good.
And then non-con is
No, actually, you're supposed to see 2. So 1 for your database and 1 for non-con. So
this one is saying on status unknown.
that's fine.
So we good.
You know what? Don't do the list. Just edit the listener. What is the script saying? Okay, you're still doing the parameters, right? So you can go ahead and try the parameter.
What am I even? I think we are here now. This is what I tried doing and it's disturbing this one. So do I run it now and see?
Yes, run it.
Who's making that noise?
From my side. It
Oh,
shows the
sorry.
same thing.
Let's see.
We have the
Parameter
same
can be
error.
because the value invalid specification for local listener.
Error. Okay, hold on. Let me see.
Yeah. No, don't see. I don't know if. Wait, Joseph, can you go back on your? Can you go back on your your listener?
Okay.
No time. Ellie?
Right here.
Question mark.
Let me say something. See, I don't know if those spaces matters, but can you try? I don't really know if it matters, but just try and close all the spaces I see in between the equals to signs. You see global database name equals, close the equals to.
Yeah,
And before
like
that,
this.
yeah, before that, there's a space. Close
Yeah,
it.
you remember I was listening to this, right? Those spaces, it was listening to this non-con STB.
Okay.
So do I have to do same with all of
Yeah, even the ones down.
Because even you see, even up here,
Even the ones
The
down.
global name is, I don't even know.
Remove the space down. Global home SID name.
down. Where again? Is it?
SID name. So
No space now. There's no space anymore.
yes, no space. And can you like, do you mind bringing all the brackets on one line? The one down.
What do you mean, all the brackets?
The one down.
This one?
The last one, You bring it to the same line with the bracket on the SID. No, the one up. Bring the one up. I don't know if it's the same
Like
line
this.
with the one. Can you remove the? Yes.
You are taking one step.
Yes. SID none. Okay. SID list. Listener one.
Anita.
Okay. Put a
Yes.
space in between listener one and equals to.
Oh, wait.
This here.
Space. Okay.
Wait, nothing.
You can go ahead and save it. Yes, I think you can go ahead and save it. I think it might be the problem even that listener one equals.
Need my hair to
Yeah, I wanted to say, like, if Anita, if you have done it, could you just check on your or like
Yeah,
let's
that's
see
how
if it's the
that's
same,
what it looks like. So just try again.
the way it is right now.
Yeah. So if it doesn't work, I think you want to go reconfigure your listener on Netca in Netca. But that's fine. Just save it and reload the listener again.
Let teach people.
Oh my God.
You okay?
Are you okay? I'm fine, darling.
Why is this thing too freezing? Wow.
What are you doing? Just exit and
What?
then do listener.
It's freezing. It's
Exit
freezing.
and
That's why.
reload.
LSNR. You know what? You can just do the up command, the up arrow.
That's what I wanted. My machine is just freezing. I don't
Okay.
really know.
So reload.
You can check the status.
Are you?
Going now. They're freezing. Just like this now, status is good, right?
I mean, it's not even that necessary. I just want you to. You can just try that command again.
Where's your pulley?
Awesome. Oh, Joseph.
What? Hello? Did I stop sharing?
Yeah,
I feel like you stopped sharing.
No, you see, my machine is crazy. I did not even do anything. Look what it says again. Let me start it.
Okay.
Oh, it's already. Oh.
Yeah, you start again. Don't worry.
So you reloaded. So
yeah.
Okay, I think you might want to go to Netcar. Go to
You don't want me to
VNC.
start it? You remember the other time we did and it showed the same thing?
Okay.
No, did you try that command again?
Which one?
The command you were trying to put, the alter system said local listener.
Come on, Devani, stop yelling. Please, can you go over there?
No, you said that you said I should reload the listener. I reloaded it. I checked the status. This is the status here.
Protocol.
This is the status I just checked now. So I was thinking I should start it.
No listener.
I was thinking at it now because this popped out the.
Okay, I think you can just go ahead and configure a new listener.
You don't have to configure a new one. Just go and how do they call it? Reset it.
You said on VNC or?
Yes, VNC.
What do I type here now?
Set your batch profile.
With the LS?
No.
No. Dot.
Oh. Okay.
Netcar. NETCA. And then go to next. And then you want to reconfigure.
Reconfigure or
Reconfigure. And do next. Are you sure you say yes?
So it's running. They say it's running.
No, oh, do you want to?
Yes, they said the listener is currently running. Are you sure you want to stop?
The name is, yes. Next. Next.
No, right?
No.
I don't know if you remember the first question they asked you the same.
Okay, that's it. Now I think you want to reload it. Just put it down. No, just minimize your page. Minimize the page. The whole page of your. Okay. Yes, you can right there. What are you pouring?
So here now, what do? I reload or
now
what?
Reload. Yes.
Okay.
And then check the
Check status.
Yes. Check the status of listener 1. Actually, I think that's what he read, but just when you're checking, try to always mention the listener name, because you might have more than one listener. Okay. Okay, so now try to go ahead and issue the command, see if it works.
Remember, this thing has been like that even the other first time now. The same thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
The same thing.
It's invalid. Cannot be.
Please, can I give someone a remote control for like some few minutes? Let me do something. I'll be back, please. Renata.
Not about to mention.
Hello.
Okay, give me. Let me request. Request. I don't know. Anita, is there any problem if you get a new listener? Is it gonna cost something?
I don't think so. I guess you can, but I just feel like it's gonna make
Now,
things
even if my problem is if you get a new listener, right? I believe we still have to configure the new listener the same way we are trying to configure this one now, right? So
it says
because
the
I believe our problem
cannot
is
be.
on this.
Okay, scope equals both. Let me.
Yeah, because we still have to configure it. All right, I'll be right back, please.
Okay.
All right. You know what? I think maybe just take that one out. Or, can you open the P file and check? I think you can edit it directly there. I don't know. Because I'm the one that actually added, like my first script didn't have that parameter. I just added it. So. local underscore listener.
So I don't know if I am not saying it well, or I feel like there's no P5 for this database. I'm not even able to manage
Can
the
you go
screen.
on change, press on change over there on the top of the, right on top there. Press on change.
I think that is init non-con.
Okay, there you go.
Okay, Anita, what are you trying
Yeah,
to say?
it's not supposed to be listener non-con. So I think you should change that to listener one.
Okay.
I am not even sure why. I think.
But I think it makes sense. I think it makes sense. Local listener one.
Okay, next.
Oh, wow.
Did you try to check they say OHA 20097? So they say DB recovery file destination. I don't know if you check it on Google. Alto system set DB underscore recovery file dest. And the second is coming is like, next I simply use the disregard alto system, the scope buff. Can you tell the difference between DVD show parameter and the memory target? Cannot be modified because the value is invalid. After that, Joseph. So nobody's there.
Babies, I am there. I mean,
I see like on Google, they said, I don't know if I can send it. So they say simply alto system set DB underscore recovery underscore file underscore dest equals plus data scope equals both. So
this is when the error comes from the
for that parameter
destination.
No, they say 02. Look, it got like 3 errors. The first one, to solve the parameter. You have to solve the parameter. You have to solve the local listener, you have to serve also the network name listener. So I'm talking about the first error. The parameter cannot be modified. So I don't know if he has to alter that parameter. Because I was checking on the error. Are you there, Joseph?
I don't think Joseph is around.
Yes, because we can solve the first parameter and we try to find the second and the third one.
Maybe what I'm trying to explain to you is that the first error that you see, parameter cannot be modified because the specified value is invalid. What you're talking about is when it's in a situation when it is caused through because of the data, the DB recovery destination. But in this case, it is not. If you go further on Google, they will still show you that the data guard broker can cause it. Our own case, it is the listener that has caused it. So yeah.
When we swap, the listener is going to be
it's
automatic.
a value that is invalid. We don't know which one, but it's definitely one.
They say, let me show you some example that can produce Aura 02, the real explain model. I don't know.
Hello, Bibi. Someone was calling.
Yeah, I was saying, like, Renata explained to me, she said the issue came from the listener. So I was like, if you see there is 3 Aura 2002097. So when I check on Google, they say you have to alter the system set. So another say it doesn't make any sense because it's the listeners causing that issue. But here I see you can fix the first issue. And we can check for the second one. I don't know. Let's go back the way she said, but just suggest.
Yeah, actually, I sent that remote control because I have some 1 or 2 things using with that, but I'm here. So 100%, that's why I shared that remote control. Everyone should please pardon me. Just use their swear.
Okay, Joseph, can you do you want to go on your Oracle home and cut your TNS name?
You have the remote controller. I'm not fully.
Oh, I gave back. Okay, let me request it again.
You sent it. Oh.
Yeah, let me request it again. This one. Let me just see it. Okay, I think I need to set it in network. Okay, I think this is where, wait. Yeah, I think this is where the issue might be coming from. Okay, I think this is where the issue might be coming from.
Yeah, I think you have to remove that and name it listener one.
Listener one. But to do that, I need to VI, right? VI. Okay, let me just VI.
The WinRCP is open right there.
Yeah. He used to work on Pudi.
Okay, let me open.
That's it right there, admin.
Is listener two or what? Oh, wow.
At the VNC, did you also configure it as listener one? Or this is not the primary?
Don't know.
It's listener one everywhere.
Oh, okay.
I think you need to put space there, Ronaldo. No, not like that. Not like
One
that.
to
Put
air.
listener one and then space, just like the you see the other ones.
One to the air and space.
The space is, yeah, that's.
Okay, you can go back to your Pudi now.
Another, check your alter. Check your alter.
Okay, so we are good. We are good. So I don't know which script Joseph was using. And I'm like, I don't know which script Joseph was using. Hmm. See here, guys. I don't know how to use this script, so you guys will just have me. I don't know. So so this one I just have to put non-con and non-con SCB, right?
You don't
Yes,
need
wait,
that.
Wait.
You don't need that. You don't need those two parameters.
They say you have to change only your DB unique, right? That one is.
You don't have to add those two parameters because both your databases are going to have the same name.
If your standby has a different name, okay.
Yeah, only if the standby has a different
different name.
I don't even like copying and pasting. Okay, let me just type it.
Those are Anita's script gave to in the morning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So does it mean that it's not gonna have any log file name convert in the parameter in the P file?
No.
So it won't have an issue ahead?
I don't think so. I mean, no, because all these file, the log file, the convert,
yes,
that's all it does is like it's telling Arman during the notification to put certain files to the database files or the log files to in a certain directory. It doesn't really do anything except, that's why if you have like the same directory structure, because this is going to be have the same database name, is not really necessary because they're all going to have the same directories.
Okay, so if you don't set it, there's no issue. If you set it, there's no issue too. If you like set it in your parameter in your P file.
I don't think there is an issue.
Okay.
But I just think it's useless,
Okay.
if you have the same, if you want them to go to the same directory, then I don't think it's
Okay, I
needed.
got it.
Oh no, I don't have to set it to that TPS. See. Oh yeah, I think I had.
Hey, already.
I think I had to do just. I saw it. He already have his password file. Okay, he has a password file. Now the script asks me to do what? I want to create. C See, this thing is doing me no good. This remote control. I just feel like I'm going to. It's really doing me no good. Okay. Okay. What is the database name? Nuncon. I think I even had something already till now.
No, you selected the wrong one. I think
Yeah,
you should
I think he had
just
something
close
already.
this one and go to the other one. Don't save the changes. Don't save.
Close to the. I think it's 2386. Is it 238? Okay. I think it's 11.1.2. .1.0.2. See. This one has to be pasted on the standby server, I believe. Anyway, to the standby server.
You skip step 6, Renata.
He already has the password file.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so it. I think this has to be done.
No, it should be on the other one because you're trying to transfer from the primary to the standby.
So it has to be on the standby, right?
No, on the primary.
Okay. It is done on SQL or on the operating system. SQL.
OS.
OS level.
Are you sure you want to continue connecting? Yes. I don't know if I made an error. Was I supposed to put Brown Take 1 or class 26?
Class 26.
Oh, okay.
I'm back.
You're back. This is the reason why I'm not able to do anything on. Okay. Okay, let me try it again. Try again. What is going on?
It's class 26, right?
I'm typing. Okay, let me try and copy it again.
You have not copied S.
Yes.
Renata, you have to be in the directory where these stuff are. So you have to be in Oracle Home/DBS before you're able to copy it. That's why it's saying no such directory or no such file or directory because you're in Oracle Home. You're not in that specific directory. So you want to cd to Oracle Home/DBS before doing this command.
Alice, you have to list so that you can see.
Oh, okay. Oh my
That's
goodness.
fine. You really did it. Enter. Okay, so now you start working on the other server.
I noticed some people after copying this files, they go ahead and rename the password for the primary to the standby. Why is it so?
Why do they rename it? I'm not sure why they want to rename it. Maybe they rename it because it's like if it has different, the databases have different names.
This one she's working on, it has just one name?
Yes, it's having the same name. Both databases will have the same name.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when they have the same name, how do you differentiate from primary and standby?
All you're doing is copying.
STB.
All you're doing is oh yeah, we add STB on the
secondary.
Yeah,
on the standby.
On the standby, yes, not like on the. We add it to the how do you call it? The DB unique name. But then when you're connecting, you connect to the same database, the same name.
Wow. This is the first time I'm seeing this because I can't see any STB. I'm just seeing the name of the database featuring like the primary. So I was like, if you want to connect to primary, how do you know it's primary? How do you know it's secondary?
We specified in the TNS name, the listener, and also in the P file.
Okay.
So she already has it because it doesn't say directory create.
It's because there is no V.
Because there's no?
The command
No PV.
there's no PV.
Yeah, it's not minus PV.
If it's PV, it's
I
going to
was
be created.
actually about to ask this question.
I need to ask also last time.
Yeah, ask me too. I was confused. I was like, what is going on? Is it because it's 12C or what? Because we started using it, my first time at least was when we were configuring 12C.
So they are all producing the same result.
Yeah.
Yeah, they produce the same thing. It's just like the V, it displays as I guess it is creating.
I missed that part of the listener. Maybe I'll only check the video on after.
It's because
didn't copy the N.
It's because it was not specified in the TNS names.
The TNS name.aura or which TNS
yes,
name?
TNS names.aura.
So we had to go there and do it, right?
Usually you don't. I don't know why this time it was like that.
Because the ones you specify in your P file, that's what was in your TNS name.aura. So we had to change the one in the P file, change the one in the TNS name.aura.
Wait, the one in the P file was not listener one.
No, it was listener non-con.
Listener non-con.
So we had to change it to listener one.
How did that one go and be listener non-con?
No. Corinne, David, Sakisa, Monica, Marinette. Are you guys getting what we're doing? As I told you guys, we're gonna do it again on Saturday, but I want us to make an effort to at least understand this project before going to the next one. Because I'm not sure we're gonna come back to this, and it is quite important. So if we can just make an effort to understand the least we can, at least know what we are doing from the script for those who want to use it. So
Ivo,
you know what we're doing.
Ivo, réponds-moi.
Oh, ok. Mais j'étais au pendu, il faut regarder.
Je sais.
Il y a quoi? Il y a quoi?
Joseph.
You want your background to be run just right now?
We need you present next time Golden Gate or I don't know, patching or upgrading.
I wish. I told you that it's just because this time I'm off. I just took off. Like, trust me, today I will not be here.
In the beginning of the class, I wanted to ask you, Joseph, that what happened?
I have a different scheduled job now, so I'm leaving home by like 8. It's like 8 to 8. So I get
so you
before
guys
getting
are
home.
making more money.
No, that's what. And then at work, I cannot, like, even with my phone, I cannot even connect when I'm there in the class. So that's why whenever I'm there, I must miss everything concerning the class because it's from 8 to 8. So, even the morning session, I cannot. The evening, the same thing.
From 8 to 8.
So, is kind of really tight for me. And before getting home, it's almost 9 o'clock. Say you want to shower, you want to eat or something.
This is America.
America, like for real. 8 to 8.
You see, even the party, I could not even come because even the afternoon and the night, getting home, it was already late. I could not, then thinking I have to work again the next day in the morning. So,
Oh, sorry.
right. For example, I was asking him about his server, if I could work with the server. So he said he has space issues. So he has to clear his space issues or arrange them first. So if I was to use it, I asked him if I was to use it, was this his space issue going to affect me using his database as the standby?
I mean, the truth is that whatever you're trying to do here, you need space. You need, I mean, not really much space on your standby, but at least you need space.
So who has my version so I can work with that person? I can work with that server.
Joseph has your version. Monica has the same one.
So Joseph, can I use your server?
I don't have any problem now.
So give me your student number, please.
This is what
We
we're
are working
using
on
now.
like this.
Student 30, yeah?
30,
No,
yeah.
Who's 238?
Monica.
Okay. So we get for Joseph 230, 30. Tomorrow, I will start 9. Thank you, Joe.
So she has 2 ones.
Wait,
How
I see 2 different homes here.
I'm gonna use the second one. The first one.
Those issues like you are working on your server, somebody is trying to edit the listener. You are trying to edit to that person added, so it's like crazy.
Yeah. She doesn't even have the listener.
So you are trying to fix your listener. Somebody is using your server, is trying to remove that.
Please, guys, see what I'm saying. I don't know if
he doesn't have a listener.
Doesn't have a TNS name. Doesn't have listener.
Check on the other server that we saw. Maybe we are with.
I mean,
let's see.
if it is on the other server, then we can't make it because it's not the same one.
I know. I just said let's check. I know that we will not go. That's why I said let's just check.
Okay.
I think maybe go to, I don't think she has configured a listener for 12C. So you can check on her server and see and do the PS.
This one, she doesn't even have DBA.
Yes, so what?
Because even if she doesn't configure the listener, she must at least have the TNS name. But she doesn't have. Okay, let me try on this, on the...
Or I guess if she doesn't have, I think you can just copy from the other server and bring it there.
Copy. Okay, wait, let me see if she has it here. I have to see the... Wait, is it gonna be easier or it's gonna be more work? Because I actually have to copy everything. See, Joseph, you don't think it's
Yeah.
time
She
that
needs
you
she
should take?
needs a listener. That's the thing. Like whatever
I mean,
you're
I
doing right
want to
now,
see if she has it on the, because she might not have it on the physically, but logically she has it.
okay, so just do CD Oracle $ Oracle _ home / what's the /network /admin. Yeah, it looks like she doesn't
She
have it.
doesn't have it either.
Okay.
Joseph,
So
What she
my
did?
suggestion is first
I was
go and
asking,
see if you
do you
can.
don't do you think it's time for you to take the remote control back?
No problem.
Okay. Give up remote control. So you can go ahead and copy the TNS name, the listener, and all, even the SQLnet.aura. You copy it from
Wait,
your
hold
server
on.
to
Come.
my server.
Wait. I'm on
Go
a
to your
server right now.
server. No, go to your WinSCP, to your own WinSCP.
Okay.
How do I know
No,
my
this
own now?
is not your, no, this is not your own. No, 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 no.
We're gonna be
Yeah, go down. Your own is the second one, I believe.
The second one is something that's open here. It's not like
Oh, okay. Just open a new session and you open your own your own.
when I click session here, right?
I think it's gonna close her own.
You know, Joseph, I think you should first
Yeah.
go and configure a listener. Because even if you copy now, if you configure a listener, it's going to come with the file. Because if you copy now, you want to copy the listener as well. It's not. So you can
So
go to Netcar to your VNC and configure a listener through Netcar.
So now I need her IP here or what?
For IP.
Because if I log in here and then I configure Netcar, is it not like going to configure, like it's gonna be on my server?
Just put student 238.
Where should I put student 238?
Right there, just delete that, put student 238. And then semicolon. No, actually colon, my bad. And then 559.
Colon.
I think it's 5901. I think, let me see.
590.
01, I think. Oh.
Like this?
Wait, what? Is that exclamation mark?
Like,
yeah, try that.
I guess she's using the same password.
Yes, password 1 is the same password. Set the batch profile. I think hers is capital C. And Netka. Next. Add. Next. Okay, you can name it listener. Next. 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 Would you like to confirm? No. Next. Okay. Now you want to go back to the directory. I think it should be there. And then you can copy the TIL. So just go to your PuTTY to see if it's there first.
My PuTTY.
Not PuTTY, I mean WinSCP.
This is our server, right? You want me to go
You
on?
know you can open on both servers, on both windows, right?
Oh no.
Okay, whatever you want.
You want me to go on our side, right?
Yes.
So where do I go now?
Okay. Go to Aura Data. Can you make your screen bigger, please? And then U01, APP, Oracle, yeah. Okay, right here, yeah, go to first of all, go DBS. Okay, right, go on the path over there where you see the whole path, up there, where you see DBS. Yes, right click. Yes, right click. And then say add to bookmark.
Add to bookmark.
Yes. So this will, instead of clicking everywhere, you can always just click one and then it'll take you here.
So I say yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay, so now go back to DB1, DB_1. Now go to network, admin, and then here, yeah, add to bookmark. Do the same thing. No, go to admin. Where you see admin, right click, add to bookmark. Okay, yes. Now you see that window next to the AC all the way up. You see that folder, that open folder all the way up next to that thing that looks like an hourglass or something.
Up on this side?
Yeah, so yeah, no, next to, on the left. If you click on that, no, you were just there. Yes, if you click on that, just click on that. So this right here, if you don't want to be clicking everywhere, these are the things that you just registered. So you know that your SP file and P file is going to be in DBS. So instead of having to go to /data and doing all that, you just click here. It's going to take you directly there. Same as your
so if
TNS names.
Yeah,
you just click there. It's going to take you there. Same as this one. This part is for your TNS names and listener. Okay, so that's just like
so
a
do I
shortcut.
do okay here now or?
No, I was just showing you, like, for next time, in case you need.
I know.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Cool. All right, so you can close it.
I close it.
Yes.
And then even the part for the listener, the P file, everything you can just save there, right?
Yes, the P file, that's what we just did, which we saved the part for the P file and we saved the part for the listener and the TNS names.
TNS, okay.
TNS names are supposed
Oh,
to be in this
yeah.
directory
This
as
time,
well.
this time, like you want to go there now, you just come here and you just click here and then
Yeah,
you just find them. Yeah.
that will take you to the, yeah.
All right. So from here, what do we do? Open the listener.
Yeah, open it. I don't know,
So
should
do
we?
I have to do same thing like we did on the other side?
Yeah, so you have to edit it the same way.
So I have to go and
I don't know,
copy.
I'm thinking
No,
maybe it was better to just copy it from the other side.
that's what I was thinking too.
And just edit it. Okay, you can still do that. It's fine. So you can go to your PuTTY. Oh, that's how you want to copy it. Okay.
Oh, you wanted me to copy it from where?
That's fine. So you can drag it to your desktop and then drag it back. Hey, you don't have the place where you.
What? I think I closed her own, right?
Okay. Can you close your? Can you go to your WinSCP?
Close my WinSCP.
Just close and leave one of those windows open.
I should do what? I should close it here.
Yes, close and leave one of them open. You have like 3 different things open there.
Yeah, so this one's right. They are just, if I close this ones.
Just close it.
So I should, which one should I close? I have to close
Just
this one
close
instead,
those
right?
2 files. Close that. Close the other one. Yes. Close this one. Now, just make it full screen, please.
So outside.
Will you make it full screen?
This is my server.
Why are you not able to add session here?
Sorry.
I don't know. It's weird. It looks different than.
What looks different here?
Yeah, yours look a little different because usually I'm able to add two windows at the same time. So.
Well, I guess another complaint, she said if I want to log into mine, I'm going to log her out, the other server out. So I don't know.
Okay. Let me
get this session here.
Hold on. Let me see something.
Okay, let me upload it.
Oh, come on. Yeah, it doesn't, yeah, it's different, I think.
Maybe I have the old version.
I don't think it's that. Okay, so this is your server, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it safe to copy this here? Oh my gosh, this thing is so slow. Damn, this is. Oh, actually, it's not. It doesn't lock you out.
There you go. I think.
Oh yeah, so that's what you have to do. That's okay. All right, so where is that in this? Okay, so you have to, her listener is listener, just listener, not listener one. So that. All right, so what part are we in?
So apart from the listener there, everything has to be the same.
What do you mean?
No, the TNS name .aura.
Oh, and we need the SQL net.aura as well. This is not here. So these are all the samples. Yeah, I'm not using this one. Okay, so what part were we? I think we didn't do this, did we? All right, so we did this. We created directories. We need to add this. So this. Super slow. This is 238.
Yeah, that's
So you have to go to Etsy. Oh my gosh. This is so slow. So annoying. Ah, this is gonna drive me nuts.
all those culture. No, just allow them there.
Yeah, this is 11G. Those are the ones that's 11G. Okay.
What did you say?
Those are for 11G.
So you have to go to 12G now.
Yeah, 12C. All right, so what next? Edit the TNS names and listener. All right.
I saw here you already changed listener, the listener name. That's why I was asking that. Is that all you have to change?
No, it's not. You have to add come on, 2 entries. All right, so what's your port? Let me see. Wait, I'm working on student. Ah, this is so annoying.
You're on the standby, right?
It looks like I'm not. It says, oh my gosh.
But it's saying something different up there, and I'm seeing something
Yeah,
different.
I know.
Yeah, I think there's something confusing here.
All right.
Oh,
if
you know
don't
why?
mind, I'm just gonna close all
You
these.
know why, Anita?
Yeah. What?
It's because you copied mine. It was mine that you copied and brought here, so you have to change
Oh,
everything.
yes, you're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. Okay. So I'll have to change most of this stuff. So you guys have the same listener port. Huh? So the listener port here is 1521. 1521.
Here is 1522.
Yeah. So she doesn't have any of these databases. So I think I'm just gonna take these out. Okay, not smart what I just did. I think I'm just gonna edit it first.
I wanted to ask something here. Anita, what are we trying to do here?
Right now, we're trying to add the entries for the standby and the primary as well.
All right. So because I saw you were trying to like, so now like, I believe we have to add some things that like they are similar the way they are on the primary database.
Yeah.
Same way here on the standby.
Yes. Oh my gosh. Do you mind if I switch to my server? Because like this is really lagging.
All right.
I don't know if my computer is gonna be faster. Because it's like really lagging. It's just really annoying.
Yeah, I don't know, it's heavy, so at times it freezes.
So non-con, and then this is gonna be non-con S. Oh, come on.
What is a standby? Non-con STB. Okay.
Yes. STB.
And then one thing, please. I thought something was set like if the ports are also different, it might not disturb.
No.
All right.
Oh, geez. Okay. No, this is. So your port is 22 and your student number is 30. So this is going to be the standby. So this is going to be port 21, student number 238.
Look at the other one. I see student 30, but I see port 1521. Yeah, that one.
Okay. What's your port? Your port has to be this, right? It's 22. So this is, change this to 238. Oh. See something, standby, before. Standby.
But now too, I want to ask like this Acorn here, is the Acorn supposed to be there?
No, I'm about to take these things out because this is your database stuff.
Yeah.
I don't think she created anything here. So. Okay, 1521 looks good.
Anita.
Yes.
Just a quick one.
Mm-hmm.
Here where it says non-con and then down non-con STB, and then on the service name non-con STB down, and then the other service name here. I'm asking, is that how it's supposed to be? Thinking like one has to be a reverse or something? I'm just asking.
Yes, because your student your server information is student 30. Your host is 31, right? 30, and then your port is 1521, and you're going to be the primary database. Whereas this one is going to be the standby database.
All right.
And the student number, the host, and then the port is different.
All right. Okay.
And then here this is the standby database. So the listener has to be for the standby.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
Is everyone here or?
Okay, so, and then now we go to listener. Listener.
Come down, try pasting. I think I copied it. I think I copied already. Come down and try like you want to paste. Let's see if it works. Yeah, try to paste.
That's it. Yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah. Oh no, this.
No, listener here was supposed to be under where you have sit.
What? Oh, this is the listener. Yeah, this is not it. Okay, let me try to paste it from here. Okay, from here. What are you doing?
Huh?
Nothing, never mind. Okay. All right, so one for this. How is this even here?
We are using a non-con and non-con STB.
Okay.
The global DB name we gave, I don't know which one. We did not give any name now for global.
This is this
is the standby. Right?
Yes. Non-con STB. Actually, yeah. Non-con STB.
No.
Come on. Ah. Okay, what else? I have to change the path here to, and here as well to 2. Listener name.
The listener. Check the listener. Yeah.
Just listener. And then report, okay, it has the correct information. Okay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay. All right, so since I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and edit the listener, the P file. All right, so first we want to change the unique, DB unique name, STB, non-con STB. What else do we want to change?
Wait here, Anita. I
Yes.
thought our DB unique name we gave that time was non-con.
Okay, but both the DB unique name is what identifies the database. So they cannot both have the same DB unique name. Huh?
Sorry.
They cannot both have the same DB unique name. So the DB unique name for the primary was just non-con. And then
Yeah.
we're adding STD here to be able to differentiate both databases.
All right. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. And then for the fall underscore client, you have to switch it around. So in this case, now this is going to be. So this it just specifies, you know, which like, because it's necessary during the switch over or fail over, you know, when it changes, you change roles. So when you switch over, you know that the server is going to be
the primary becomes
the primary becomes the yeah. So for this reason, on the standby, you want to change this to non-con, and then the client is going to be non-con STB. You want to specify your listener name, which is listener. This doesn't change. And then here, you want to change the kind of switch the locations. For me, I don't even know if we need to change this area. I don't know if we need to change it, but I know you have to change this one to STB, and then here it's gonna be non-con. Actually forgot to ask him, but I think last class what he said was just add STB here. But I feel like what it does, it will just put it in the FRA because there is no, okay, I'll just put that STB. And then what else? I think that's all you have to change here. So you change the DB unique name. Where is it? DB unique name. You change the for client and for server. You just switch them around. You edit your listener name, and then you change the log archive destination 1 and 2. So I think that's all you have to do here. Now I'm going to go ahead and edit the TNS name for the other location for the primary. Okay. So TNS name or so what is specified here? Listener is specified.
We have to remove the icon, right?
You have a database icon, right?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, so we don't need to remove it. I'm
But
just trying to
remember, you
copy.
have removed it before.
I removed
think, I
it
don't
on
know.
the other side because we copied it from your server and she does not have, the other server doesn't have those databases.
Okay, you are on the primary right now. Eh?
Yeah, I'm on the primary right now.
Okay, okay.
And then Control V. And so since it's a primary, I think there's already one entry here. So all I have to do is add the other entry for the standby. Because when you created when you create the database, it comes automatically with the creation. Okay, so this will be non-con STB. STB. And then this as well, right here. And then we want to edit the port and the student number. I think the port is 21. Student number is 238. 238. And that is it. Now for the listener. All right, what's that entry? Oh yeah, so I think you already edited this one. Oh, non-con SC.
Yeah.
All right. So now we want to kind of check to see if
Check the script. Oh, you already mastered everything.
Yeah, I know. See, if you know how many data guides I've already created for that presentation, I created at least 4 of them.
That's nice.
Actually, I like to work like this, so I always know the primary is going to be on the left.
Get out, you person. Get out.
Okay, so you want to listener CTL reload listener. Yeah, listener. This server is just listener.
Yeah, that's the name of the listener.
Yeah. Let me try to do it here. Listener CTL reload listener. Listener 1, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now you want a status. Listener CTL. Yes. So this is good. So if it works, you're supposed to see 2 entries, two instances and 2 services. So 2 instances for non-con and 1 service for non-con STD and 1 service for non-con. So you're supposed to see 2 instances and 2 services. So that's good. Listener CTL status listener 1. This one is not good. So we have to go figure out what's up here. So this is the primary database.
That's the same database with the listener issue now.
No, it's not that. I think we just didn't edit this properly. I think I'm just gonna do it this way.
Oh, all of them should be on the same line.
Yeah. Is that the same line, or should I put a space? Yeah, that was the same line. All right, let's go and see this thing. All right, so let me reload it. Still no? Why? Non-con. Sleeping.
How can non-con, who is the owner of the listener, they are saying is unknown?
1 second, let me check my. So primary
You remember
is.
said they went and somebody said they changed something in the P file or something. It was non-con listener or something. Do we have to check on that again?
The listener? No, I don't think we need to change anything on the listener.
Wait, is it the standby listener?
No, this is not the standby.
Primary again, like.
Yeah, it's the primary. Description. ID. Not sure idea. List, test, underscore name, underscore one. Close. Let me try this.
Wait, Anita, what is the issue? What's going on?
We're supposed to see 2 service names and two service names and 2 instances, but we're just seeing 1.
It looks like the listener is not listening
Can you
to
show me the standby listener.
Okay.
The standby section is good, but here it looks like it's not listening on non-con, which
Okay,
is the
one
primary.
second, please. Let me. I don't know if these are even the issue. I don't think so.
Is it a standby?
No, this is the primary. All right, you say you want to see the standby P file?
Listener.
Listener, okay.
Anita, wait a bit. Let me say something.
Okay. The standby is fine. The issue is the primary now.
Anita, here on the first listener down, we have on the global DB name, we have non-con STB, right? And then seed name down, we have non-con.
Do
Then
you think it must be the non-con before non-con STB?
Again, it doesn't have anything to do with the primary, with the standby. The standby is just fine. It read fine.
But what we see from the error of that listener is that it's not listening to non-con, right?
Yes, but it's listening. It's in the database. We haven't done any kind of transition right now. So it's at this point, it's not even reading anything from the standby.
I know that I was trying to like we should double check the listener setting again on the primary, how, like, that's why I was asking the global name if it has to be
Yeah,
non-con
this is
STB.
just fine. This is just fine. So in the primary, the only
We
thing
are
you
on the
have to
primary.
add.
We are on the standby right now.
This
We
is
are on
the
the standby
standby.
right now. Yeah, so I was saying we should double check on the primary too, if it's like we have the
This is
same
like
setting.
this.
How is
So in the primary,
like
you
it's
only
not-
have to add this one. You don't need to add this one.
Exactly. I'm not saying we should compare if they are the same. I'm saying we should go and check if everything there is okay. That's what I'm saying.
Just give me a second. Let me see.
I think it should be. Do you want to check the P file of the standby?
But I thought she said it doesn't have anything to do with the standby.
Yeah, at this point, it doesn't have anything to do with the standby.
Wait, what is the error you guys get?
We're not seeing the primary database information.
Okay.
What? 1521.
Wait. I see host student. Okay. 15 to okay.
Anita, did you TNS ping both databases?
First, I'm doing the listener before doing the TNS ping. am I doing? We can do TLS Spain, that's fine. Spain, what's the name? Non-con. So non-con is good. So TNS Spain.
You sit down, they say no listener. What's that? Or am I not seeing well?
Non-con.
What does
No.
the TNS no listener mean down? Anita.
What are you, which one?
It's
The
so it
first
says
time
like
you-
no
It's
listener.
right. I think it's
You sit
right.
down
It
there,
says
it
no
says-
listener.
Where?
When you try
App.
to TNS ping the
TNS no con.
primary database.
Oh, yeah. So see, is the list is for the primary database. The other database is just fine.
Mhm.
So let me check that again.
It's not con.
Oh my goodness. All right, so
There is no non
your
con.
port is 1521. There's no one. Let me check this. That I'm gone.
Go up. I saw this 1521, right?
Yeah, so your port is 1520. Oh, look at that. It's because of this. What is your port? 1522 or 21? It's 22, right?
Let's
Your
double
port
check
is
again.
1522.
I
Okay.
saw like it's 22 for him.
22, yes, I'm pretty sure it's
Remember,
22.
yes. It was
It's 22, so we need to change it in the listener.aura. I mean,
Wait, go back there again. It looks like we have not changed everything there. Anita, go back again.
Hold on.
No, look. Which one is mine now? Is it 1521 or 22?
I don't,
22
you
is
know what?
yours.
Let's just double check here.
I saw you do have 20.
Bish.
I'm tired since morning. Oh my God. I'm tired. I'm not active today. But, It's 21. Who's primary?
Yes. EF. Okay.
TNS. TNS.
Well, this doesn't even specify the port.
No, you have to cut that. You
Wait,
have to
the
cut
port is right there
things
on
from
top,
the
22, 1522.
Where?
No, but
All the way
look,
up.
no, but
All the way up.
Used adapter.
The third line.
This one?
Yes.
look at the student. Oh yeah, that's my pod name. My pod name is 22.
Okay.
I told you, I saw him, for him is like different.
So
Some
you
people
see
is
here,
21, some people is 21.
So go and check on the other side again.
You said the other side?
Was it a P5 or which one you were checking before you came here?
Come on.
Do stand by.
Because it looks like I saw it on the other side, the port too, like there were some little errors on the port.
Where?
No, just
Yeah,
running now.
see
Let's
her
if
port,
it's good.
her port
is
is
21.
21. Yours is 22. Okay. So that was the issue. Let
Yeah.
me see. Let's double check. Come on. No, your port is 22. Yeah, it's 22. So what's going on? No listener. This listener, man. Are you serious right now? Okay, TNS. Okay. Okay. Golly. $22, $22, 730, $430, $22. That's no one. $22, $22, $22.
So both are 22.
No, his is 22. And then the other one is 21. Let's see. Okay.
It's good now.
Yes, no, it's good. We have non-con, 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 non-con. So yeah. All right. So next thing, I think we're ready for the duplication. Where's the script?
So I think when those parts were the issue or what?
Yeah,
It's good
it was
we
just,
identify what was wrong
yeah.
against the port.
So we did the TNS name, we did the B file. For now, I'm gonna leave this, and see if we're gonna get stuck there. We
Which
did
one?
this part right here. So now you wanna start up mount. And you specify the P file you wanna use.
On the primary?
No, this is a standby.
We are running. I wanted to ask if it's on the command line or.
No, it's not. P-file. P-file. What? What is this? Okay. Let's create SP file from P file. This started, so what is it saying? Could not open parameter. I don't know why I feel like that this has something to do with it.
With what?
With this error. I don't know why. Oh, okay. Cool. Okay, so we did that. Now we can do the duplication. Environment target.
Anita, calm down, JJ. No small. I said, calm down, small. The way you are rushing it. So we are now on.
It's almost 10 o'clock.
I know.
It's 10 o'clock. Some of us want to sleep. So here you just want to start the, and you specify. Come on, man. Okay, internal. Connection identifier for waiting. All right. Yes. Okay. This is port 22.
This primary and standby database, are you sure there's no other way of cloning from the primary to standby? Because it's so difficult that I feel that there's other option for this thing. Because in Linux, all you'd have to do is just to clone the primary and have that same data on your standby. As easy as that. And you use the IP address to connect the two servers together. This is so difficult.
Have you tried it?
Okay, do we have? Password non-con. Mhm. Mhm. Yeah, can you go brush your teeth and go to bed? I'm fine. Error from auxiliary database. Auxiliary database. Oh, look at me. I'm not even writing the right thing. It's STB, not ST. Come on.
Maybe the error has been coming from your side.
Yeah, because I think I copied the wrong thing. Look at that.
Wow. Anita.
Yes.
This commander you run now, this armor target C/or volunteer identifiable is to check or what? What are you trying to do now?
We're trying to issue the duplication.
But I see below where you copy the command, right? I see below is the duplication is coming after that.
Yeah.
You see, because you not copy the part which says duplicate all that.
I'm sorry?
I said, because after that, then I see duplicate target database for standby. That's what I was asking. The one which ended with STB, non-con STB, that you just ran is for what?
This?
Yeah, the one which is just highlighted right now, which is still highlighted.
Yeah, that's what I just issued now to start the Arman process.
Okay, all right.
It connects to that you're connecting to the auxiliary database.
Yeah, okay. Do not copy the last part.
Yeah, it's okay. Good night, honey. Hi, the server is slow now. This is gonna take 5 years. Why?
Is it a space issue? I see it says shared memory ring does not exist. However,
There's no such file or that shared program does not exist.
When you talk about that shared memory ring, might be a space issue from the side. Does the target database, the standby, is it supposed to be on mount state or what state?
Yes. No mount.
No more. Okay.
Yeah. This thing is annoying, man. The space is fine.
Yeah, I remember you did not do that one, right?
Yeah. So, Bonnie, how about the curtain? Search file directory. Visualize this. Search file directory. Okay, let's see. Did we create all the directories we had to? 1, 2, 3. I thought I created the SP file. What is going on? Yeah, that is very weird.
What did you say?
No, I said I thought I created the SP file for this. Oh, okay. He's gone.
He's back.
Hello?
Yeah, Joseph, you can continue.
What
sharing
happened?
your screen. I don't know.
Huh?
Yeah,
No,
the
you
computer
just
is tired.
You just disconnected, so you can go ahead and continue sharing your screen.
Hey, Dada, she's tired, right?
You know what, Joseph? I think there's an issue with the other server, because it's weird. I created the SP file, but it is not. It's not recognizing it. This is the SP file that I just created, but it's not even. Can I rename it? I don't even know.
So how
Can
do
you
we
try to rename it?
This one?
Yeah.
You said I should rename it?
Yeah, to non-con. No, just remove from the C over there. And that doesn't even make sense, because normally the SP file is large, much larger. Oh, it is. Never mind. It is much larger. Okay.
I see you guys are putting everything on WinSCP. So when they're gonna clean the server, are you gonna lose everything, right?
I guess so.
Yes.
I don't know.
Yes, you're gonna lose everything. You have to put that on maybe somewhere else. When they start cleaning the server, everything's gone. I already keep mine on.
You mean like the scripts and all that?
Everything, Windows CP, everything, U01, everything.
For what though? Why do they have to do that?
To start upgrading. I already put mine somewhere else.
All right, let's see if this is gonna work, man. It was like, if it doesn't, then I don't know.
Just take some rest tomorrow.
Yeah, I think, see that error we see at the beginning when we start this other server? I don't, that's not good. I don't think it's supposed to be there.
They're not really focused on.
Let's try one more time.
All right, you talk the one where another said she never had all the other stuff on a server.
Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know.
But how come she never had all those parameters at the beginning?
Hold on. Okay, it's because the SP file is already running. Okay. Let me try this. Shut down. Not obtain parameter file. See, I think that's the issue. In it.
You see, look at what it's saying. You need DB12. See.
Yeah. Something is wrong. 12c.aura.
Semicolon. Oh, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, it's okay. But still, though, I don't think. Let's find out. Duplicate target using blah, 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 blah. Well, it doesn't even want to take anymore. Okay. Hey.
So why?
It's just really slow.
Oh, okay. The time is 10 something. Yeah, the sound
Joseph,
is
if this
too.
one fail, I don't know. If this one fail, I think you should maybe try with someone else's server.
It failed.
Yeah. Duplicate database. Yeah.
I'm telling.
Well,
I think there was probably an
yes,
error in her configuration or something, because what does this message even say? This is inactive. Oh, I can't even see it anymore. Anywho, yes. I think it's looking for the P file and it cannot find it. Or the SP file, something, I don't know. Let's see. Just want to compare what I have here. Oh. Where's it? Well, you know where my phone is? Oh, never mind. I have it. Okay. Maybe. Let's see. Alrighty. I'm sorry. I can't, I don't know what's going on. We followed all the steps and I am not sure why it's saying this.
So we can do it next time.
It is what it is, and I promise you will keep on getting errors. Anyway, we'll do.
So we learn by errors.
I know. So we're just gonna do it again on Saturday.
Yeah.
So on Saturday is going to be my part. I'm going to start tomorrow.
I think you should use a different server then, because or
So I'm going to ask Sakisa to
Yeah, we're
maybe.
gonna use a different server. Maybe Bibish own anyone. Okay, Joseph, it was a good try. I believe at least now you know a little bit. I mean, more from
Yeah.
what you knew before. You can
Yeah, for
configure
sure.
even the primary database parameters. Okay, guys, we can't kill ourselves. Let us go and rest. Guys, have a good.
All right. Thanks so much, everyone. Good
welcome.
night.
Problem.
Bye. Good night.
Good night.
Bye.
Night.